There is nothing like a major winter storm to mess up air travel, and this storm isn't just affecting Michigan. The massive system is bringing winter weather to many states, from Texas to Ohio, and with nearly 4,000 flights canceled or delayed. We've stationed consumer investigator Hank Winchester at Detroit's Metro Airport. So, Hank, what are you seeing at this hour?
Karen, a number of flights canceled and a number of flights not making their way into Metro at all, as you can imagine, with this rough weather. Take a live look behind me. You can also see there are planes preparing for takeoff. So that is the good news. If you're making your way to a warmer weather destination, you're likely going to be taking off. But if you're making your way to any destination within the Midwest, for example, Minneapolis, Chicago, you're probably out of luck. The best advice moving forward tonight into tomorrow is to contact the airline directly before you make your way out here to the airport. As of last check, we'd say about 25% of the flights leaving Metro were canceled. But the good news at this moment, the majority still taking off and taking off on time. I mean, they've got it down to a science here at Detroit Metro. They know how to deal with this wet, nasty weather. We're continuing to track the situation throughout the afternoon, and we also have some expert travel advice. We're going to have that for you coming up live tonight here from Metro at 5 o'clock. For now, we're live here in Romulus. Hank Winchester, help me, Hank, Local 4.
We always appreciate it. Thank you, Hank. We will check back with you a little bit later.